In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GoHighLevel responses blue. By the end, your chat widget responses will switch to a clean blue theme, making conversations easier to read and more on-brand. I'm starting inside the GoHighLevel chat widget builder, where you can adjust how your website chat looks and feels. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Layouts can vary slightly, but the options we're about to use are the same. First, open the Style area. This is the design hub for your chat widget. When you click Style, you're telling GoHighLevel you want to work on the look, not the behavior, of the chat. Think of it as the place where colors, shapes, and overall polish live. If you're ever unsure whether you're in the right spot, look for tabs or sections that mention design, theme, or appearance. Style is the one you want. Next, head into Appearances. This is where the preset themes live, and it's the quickest route to a professional result without tinkering with individual color codes. Appearances centralizes choices like bubble colors, button hues, and accents so everything stays consistent. If you don't immediately see appearances, make sure you're still within the Style area of the chat widget, not inside another feature like triggers or automation. Now, choose the blue theme. Clicking the blue theme instantly applies a coordinated color palette across your chat interface, including response bubbles, quick reply buttons, and subtle highlights. The blue theme is popular because it strikes a balance between approachability and clarity. It stands out enough to guide the eye while remaining friendly and trustworthy. If your brand already uses blue, this option helps your chat feel native to your site without extra configuration. Finally, open the chat window to view your changes. This preview is your real-time check to confirm that the response bubbles, timestamps, and supporting elements are now blue. Scroll or send a test message in the preview to see both incoming and outgoing messages in context. Pay attention to contrast and legibility. The text should remain crisp against the blue so visitors can read quickly on desktop and mobile. If the preview doesn't update right away, give it a moment and then click back into the chat window to refresh the view. That's it. You went into Style, opened Appearances, selected the blue theme, and used the chat window to confirm everything looks right. This small change can boost readability, improve brand consistency, and make your chat feel more professional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly blue GoHighLevel responses.